Hey friends, so it's a beautiful afternoon in Hyderabad and I am on the Nagpur highway and so far it has been a beautiful ride. I've got Giridhar with me and my other friends Ismail, the owner of Get Up Store, and Kiran. And you know what? There is something really crazy that I have with me today. That is a motorcycle. Let me see if you recognize it. It's a wacky crazy mod and let me show that to you. Check this out. Yes, it is a KTM Duke 390 and this is a complete body kit from Autolog Designs. And Ismail, what model is this?
This is the X26.
X26.
X26 from Autolog Design from Pune.
Okay, here is this Autolog Designs Street X26 and this one has an IXIL55 exhaust which I have been having crazy fun on. Sounds absolutely amazing. And check the motorbike out, friends. Unbelievable kind of a mod. And the best part is that if you don't like the this kind of a color, you can wrap it, you can put any kind of a wrap on and she would look unbelievable. So Ismail, what does it cost to set this up, the body kit?
The body kit is actually made up of 4 parts.
Mm-hmm.
The first part is a tank,
Mm-hmm.
and then you have the fairing,
Okay.
and then you have the side panels with the tail tidy.
All right.
So basically all the 3 will cost you approximately 50,000,
Mhm.
and the 4th one is the light.
All right.
The light. So you have the light, you have the tank, you have the fairing, side panel, and the tail tidy.
Okay.
The entire kit will cost you 50,000, and the color combination can be anything. The color combination, the
Anything you
graphics,
like.
anything, whatever you want. If you have any photo, any picture, you can show. The model, the build will be the same,
Got it.
but the
Got
color
it.
combination and the graphics.
Cosmetically we can make it different,
cosmetically
right?
we can
Yeah.
And it also has these daylight LEDs
Okay.
on both the sides.
Okay. And a nice projector lamp here, right?
Yeah, it's a projector lamp.
Okay. And you got these aftermarket levers.
Yeah.
What do they cost?
This is around the 3,500. These are the KTM power part.
Okay. Fine. Cool.
And
And,
we have these sliders.
Okay.
MotoGP sliders.
How much do they cost?
This is approximately same 3,000, 3,500.
All right. I have been enjoying these levers, friends. I've been riding this motorbike quite a bit, and these levers are indeed really good. They're adjustable and really nice. I think this you can like.
Yeah, this is a foldable,
right?
It's a
Okay.
foldable. Plus you have these adjustments here.
Yeah. Yeah.
For your,
I
according to your
really
riding
like it.
conditions,
Yes.
you can change it.
And now you also got spools of the same color.
Yeah, we got the spools. You have the IXL
Yes.
55.
Let's crank it up and check that out.
This is without the DB killer.
Yep.
And one more thing, I would like to say that this bike is up for sale.
Oh,
Yeah,
all right.
yeah,
Okay.
So I will the price what I'm quoting is 2.8 lakhs
Mm-hmm.
with the new tires,
Okay.
and the bike is 1 year old.
All right.
The kit is new.
Okay.
The exhaust and the kit is
Yeah.
new.
So how much did you spend along with the whole body kit, exhaust, levers, and everything?
Everything cost me around 1 lakh.
About a lakh.
Yeah,
Okay.
about lakh, because the exhaust, the body kit, I got this painted, the
Mhm.
front
Okay.
mudguard. It doesn't come with the exhaust in the kit, but it can be done.
Got it.
So they
Yeah.
send you the painted one, and
Ah.
you have to send your stock. You have to send
Okay.
them back. So they'll do
Fine.
the paint job also.
All right. Cool. And you also have a power part grill
Yeah,
protect. I mean
we
the
have the
grill
grills.
of the
Yeah,
radiator
radiator
protection,
grill.
right? Yeah. Cool. Really nice. Thank you, Ismail. And I've been having fun riding this motorbike. Truly, the whole character of the Duke has changed. You feel like you're riding a big bike, much big bike, because although we have been calling the Duke a monster, a hooligan all this while, but she doesn't look like one, correct? She looks very lean, and that has been something. It's good for a track, but look wise, let's check the stock Duke 390 of mine. Look wise, she's really lean. So that is where if you put that body kit up, she would look really, really nice. And that's it, friends. What I'll do is I'll make a dedicated video of the iXIL exhaust note so that you can enjoy it. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.